very much. Get your sack. Walk down, please. You don't get yours. Come on. Thank you very much. Come back. We'll see you this afternoon. Thank you so much.
Excuse me.
Oh, hello, Officer Shuttleworth. Hello.
Oh, where are you going with all that money?
Oh, this. Oh, it's today's takings.
Oh, yes, it is. And it needs to be safely stored away, or you could become unwitting victims of crime. There's reports of disaffected youths in the area, causing a disturbance. But I'm here to keep an eye out.
Oh, don't worry, Officer Shuttleworth. As soon as we get home, we're locking this money straight into the cash box.
Good thinking, young lady.
Thank you, officer.
Yeah, you're welcome. Cheerio then.
Bye.
Well, we have made lots of money today, boys.
We certainly have, haven't we? How much money have you got there, Sue?
Oh, 1, 2, 3, £4, Richard.
Well, I've got 1, 2, 3. So if we add 3 and 4 together... No, just leave them next to Sue's, because we need to add 3 and 4 together. And 3 and 4... Leave them next to Sue's. 3 and... Told you that time, didn't I, smarty pants? Leave them there.
Well, we have had a good day, Richard.
We certainly have. Do you know, Mr. Slater's going to be really pleased when he comes back from holiday and sees how much money we've made. We need to put this somewhere really safe. Hang on a minute. Where are the keys for Mr. Slater's cash box? Oh no, I can't find the keys to the cash box.
Check your pockets, Richard.
Oh, right. Oh, get out of there, sweet. It's no good. We've got to face facts. I've lost the keys for Mr. Slater's cash box. Ooh, sorry, sweet. What really worries me... Hey! Get out of there, sweet. You'll have to go, that dog. He really will. They're not in my back pocket. I know that, sausage brain. Look, just put this money somewhere safe. Go on. See, what really worries me, Sue, is security. There's lots of money here. What we need is a burglar alarm system for this caravan, and we need it now. See what you can find on the internet, Sue.
Right. Oh, it's a local firm. It says they give 24-hour service, and they're ready to respond at the click of a button.
Bingo, ringo. Right, click the button, Sue.
There.
Oh, no. I might have guessed. It's you two, isn't it? Don't tell me. You're experts. Sooty security. So my alarm bells are already ringing. Right. Let's get this straight. You two are going to fit an alarm system that means that nobody is going to get to this money. Go on then. What are you doing up there? And look, just be careful. What's that great big thing? It's an alarm bell. Well, just be careful with it or you'll drop a coiner. This must be a really big alarm system. What are they up to? Wish they'd put me in the picture. Sooty, how much longer will this banging be going on for? Excuse me, Sooty, how much longer will the banging be going on for? Right, Sooty, how much longer will that banging be going on for? Sooty, stop the water! Stop the water! Oh, thank you very much, that's terrific! I'm soaking wet, and I've got nothing to read now. Oh, thank you. Oh. The alarm system is now ready for demonstration, eh? You've installed a complicated system of tripwires and traps designed to catch anyone that touches them. Wow! Well, come on then, let me see. Turn it off! Turn it off! Oh, I see. You can only turn it off with that keypad. That's very clever, I like it. Hang on a minute though, how are we going to avoid all these tripwires? Your assistant will now give us a demonstration, eh? and show us that again. Go on. Turn it off! Turn it off! Thanks to Sooty security, the caravan is now fully protected. What? Eh? In fact, everywhere is protected. What does that mean?
We've got a carrot for her favourite little rabbit.
Intruder alert! Intruder alert!
Help! Help! Get me out of here! Oh, those pesky boys! Help!
This is one of my favourite pastimes, making simple models.
Oh, intruder alert! Intruder alert! Self-destruct mode activated.
Oi! Mr. Slater. Hello, Mr. Slater. Oh, yes, you'll be ever so pleased with the amount of money we made today. Oh, yes. Oh, no, don't worry. It's not in the cash box. I'm guarding the money personally. Oh, no, don't worry. The caravan is now fully alarmed. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, he's gone. Oh, well. Let's see what's on the telly. Hey?
Oh, please, am I on the telly?
What is going on? I get it. Sooty and Sweep security cameras. Gotta sort this out. I'll take this, thank you very much. Right, I am gonna turn this alarm off once and for all. We won't be needing this anymore. Thank you.
Did anyone see me on the telly?
Turn it off! You would do it on the phone, having stopped on the keypad. Oh. Don't worry about it. I will go and explain everything.
Excuse me. Thank you. One, two. Come on up. Come on out. We've got the place surrounded. Give yourself up now.
No, officer, it's not me, it's Sooty.
Sooty, eh? Well, now I'm all Sooty. Is this a joke?
No, I have no.
I have no choice but to take you into custody.
Custard activated. Custard activated. Custard activated.
This seems to be a very large amount of money you have around your person.
No, officer. Remember, you see, I lost the keys.
Come on, lad. You know, you're not painting a very good picture of yourself, lad.
You're right, Sooty. It looks like Richard has been caught red-handed.
Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.